Hi, my name is Gauri Shankar Mehanathan, co-founder and managing partner of Amuse 3D. We are a serial production partner for manufacturing custom products using technologies like 3D printing and injection molding. We are based out of Chennai. In the year 2020, Praveen and I co-founded this company. We felt that there is a gap in the product development cycle for low volume production. We tried bridging this gap by integrating traditional manufacturing and advanced manufacturing technology like 3D printing. Today, annually we manufacture over 3 million plus components to over 750 plus customers across the globe. We had our humble beginning by making revenue of 3 lakh rupees for over 6 months. Now we do the same numbers every single day. In our initial phase, we were using Excel and other manual process to manage our operation. It was very difficult to track. Almost every order we receive from our customers were unique, and managing 100-200 massive projects with a lean team without any dedicated ERP system, it's going to be tough. So we came across Odoo. We tried using the community version. We were really happy about the product. Therefore, we decided to go with the enterprise version.
Hi, I'm Praveen, co-founder and CTO of Amuse 3D. Initially, we started using sales, purchase, accounting, and quality modules. So using sales module, we were able to generate estimates and track our sales orders efficiently. With purchase module, we were able to streamline our inward operations and also maintain our vendors efficiently. So using a combination of sales, purchase, and quality, we set up a 4-step process for both inward and outward. Only once the 4th step is completed, we'll be able to do the invoicing with the help of the accounting module. Apart from this, we use the projects module to monitor our manufacturing status of the parts. We also started using CRM down the line to qualify our leads and create a sales funnel. The implementation process was so smooth. Our requirement was not similar to a traditional manufacturing company. Each 3D printing order is very unique. We don't have standard products or BOM to produce. So we came up with our own operational flowchart stating out our requirements, and the implementation team at Odoo was very quick to get back to us with a customized demo database to check and verify if we meet our requirements. So this made the implementation really seamless, and we were able to onboard Odoo in no time.
Crazy scale was only possible because we relied on a single app to manage everything. We took a big risk in our sales strategy. We decided to operate like airlines and follow a strict production schedule to maximize our mission running time. But this comes with a massive operation cost if production volume is not met. Odoo gives us an edge in terms of forecasting our sales, planning and scheduling. Also, when our customer come to know that we have a dedicated system, they get more confidence in our ability to deliver. We are a very frugal and lean team. Odoo has helped us achieve excellent revenue per employee numbers by letting less number of people do a lot more. If I have to say about Odoo in a single line, Odoo empowers MSME to operate like OEMs.